Good afternoon, guys. Well, yes, did I vlog? No, I didn't vlog. I've been in Dubai for... I haven't finished editing all my videos. And wait for it to be uploaded, guys. Stay tuned. And what else I need to say? Sorry for being MIA. You know, the internet connection in the Philippines is very slow. So, I'm not uploading so much over there. Ta-da! Yes, this is our lunch for today. It's burger steak. Yes, hubby bought it in the supermarket. Yes, like that. I don't know. We will see if it's tasty. So, kain tayo. Good morning, people. Ano? Yan pala si hubby ko. Oh, ayan o. Walang tulog yan. Walang tulog. Anyways, we're on our way to have breakfast sa Ikea. I really don't know how to pronounce it.
Ikea.
Oh, yun daw. Ano?
Ikea.
Oh, Ikea daw. Sabi niya. Anyways, yes, our leave is approved. Siya leave, ako replacement. I got a replacement. So we can go home officially to Mera's birthday. It's her 7th birthday. So, yun lang. I hope she will be surprised. Kahit may mga leakers na, na-leak na eh. Yung Beauty and the Beast. So, anyway, we will see. Right, Daddy? May leakage din. Yung birthday ni Memes. May spoiler din yung birthday niya, guys. So, later. Drop name sila Makoy. Hi guys, we are here at Ikea. We're gonna have breakfast. Yan. Yan ang mga choices. But we're gonna have the normal Ikea special breakfast. Ayun siya. Normal Ikea breakfast. No, I'm... Hi! Good morning! Okay, this is our... mine is Ikea breakfast. Hubby has a normal breakfast with extra hash brown. Ha? Arroz caldo? They have arroz caldo. Ako ayoko na. Ikaw na lang.
Walang small plate na.
Ha? Small plate? Ayan na yun talagang pang arroz caldo. Ayan o. Sabi, he will have arroz caldo. Ano ma? Mr. Quetz. Wala ka bang egg? Ayan pa guys. So, may egg. Ayan. Mga extra ano nila. Tapos may kasama yung coffee guys. Ayan. Ay, pwede tayo yung spoon and fork. Ano lang? Americano. Okay, Americano. Ito sa akin guys. Oh, sige daddy. What happened? Okay, hobby nag-start na sa akin. Tada! Get your coffee. We're having our breakfast. I see hubby. Ayun siya guys. Diba? Ang cute. Binago na nila yung Ikea. You can see through it. Na-na-na-na. Na-na-na. Ayun na siya guys. Lumaki na siya. I guess it's been a long time that we haven't been here in Ikea. So anyways, kain tayo guys. Starving till I tasted you. Don't need nobody. Mga stainless steel doon. Tapos, yun si Mr. Quetz. Nakakainis na Mr. Quetz. Yan lang. Found it guys. One of our decor. Yes! Ayan o! Galing! Love it. Later. This a bad one. Bad one. Huh? Yes, Mr. Quetz. May sinasabi ka? Wala guys daw. Oh. Ano daw? Bubo. Marunong pa yun guys. May conference pa kami sa Ikea bago kami mag-check out. Ayun sabi. Kita nyo ba kung ano ginagawa? Ayun. So, kami sa Ikea. We're almost done. Ito lang nabili namin. Tada! Ayan, kasi yung hinahanap niyang rod, wala guys. Guess what that is? Tapos ayan. So later. Hi guys. We're done sa Ikea and Carrefour. Pinalitan na yung Carrefour dito. Dati siyang Hyper Panda. Hi Mr. Quetz. OMG. Meron sila guys, no? All the letters. H, J, with lights 99. Red letter light, ayun, oh. 99 lang. Letter guys, they have, nice, you know where is it? This is in Ace Hardware. Don't know how much is this one. Oh, alphabet is 39 dirhams. Grabe guys, they have this in Ace, mga Star Wars, ano, yan, mugs, tumbler. Grabe, ang ganda. Mga Star Wars, churba. Ayan, oh. Ano naman to? Salt and pepper. Ayan, the cookie jar. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. So, yun lang. Dito yan sa A.